We're following some new developments in a case that has gripped Montgomery County for more than a decade. Tomorrow, a judge will decide whether Catherine Hoggle is competent to stand trial for the murders of her two young children. This comes after 2 days of hearings.
Yeah, and Hoggle was reportedly the last person seen with the children back in 2014, but their bodies have never been found. Our Lionel Donovan has been closely following this week's court proceedings for us.
The judge will hand down his decision on Wednesday afternoon at 1:30 p.m. Meanwhile, Catherine Hoggle herself has spent the past 2 days in the courtroom watching the proceedings unfold. The court heard from two forensic psychiatrists who were called to present their expertise surrounding Hoggle's competency. One of them, Dr. Nicole Johnson, who works at the Clifton Perkins Hospital Center, where Hoggle is being held, says the 39-year-old suffers from schizophrenia and psychotic ambivalence and is not competent to stand trial and wouldn't be able to assist in her own defense. The other doctor, Christiane Tellefson, who was hired by the state's attorney's office, argued the opposite, saying while Hoggle is schizophrenic, that doesn't mean she can't stand trial. Prosecutors also pointed to texts they say show Hoggle trying to participate in her own defense, which shows that she understands what's happening. However, Hoggle's attorney countered that even though Hoggle made plans, those plans weren't based in reality. And even though Hoggle is functional, that doesn't mean she's legally competent. Afterwards, the children's father, Troy Turner, and Hoggle's attorney spoke with us about the last 2 days of court.
I'm more hopeful today than I have been throughout this process. The former director of Clifton T. Perkins Hospital Center says the woman accused of murdering my babies is competent to stand trial. So we're very hopeful the court will listen to her expert opinion and we can finally get justice for my kids.
Once somebody is presumptively incompetent, they are not able to make a strategic decision. That's the essence of the whole problem. Right? So Catherine has been found for the last 10 years, 11 years, to not be in a position to make those strategic decisions.
Now, Hoggle was indicted this past July on 2 counts of first-degree murder for 3-year-old Sarah and 2-year-old Jacob. The two children were last seen September 7th, 2014, and their mother was reportedly the last person seen with them. From the Montgomery County Courthouse, Lionel Donovan, WUSA 9.